Hi everyone, this is Diego and this is a quick demo on how you can clone any site and monetize it using Takeit. For this example, we are going to start creating a new campaign. You can do it from here or by clicking the button here, create new campaign. And the first step that we need to start filling is the campaign name, my first test. Now we need to choose what site or page we want to clone. So in this example, I'm going to clone this article that I already have here. I'm going to copy and paste the URL here, and now we are going to select our template. We have different options here. For subscription forms, we have simple text and button forms, and video boxes if you want to embed any YouTube video. For this example, we're going to use the subscription forms. Let's start looking at some of them. For example, you can click the preview button and you are going to start seeing how it's going to look. So these are the different templates, and let's select another one here. Alright, so for this example we are going to use this one. What we would like to do now is to change the text here. For that we just go here and start changing the text. So this is my new title, and I'm going to increase a little bit the font here. What I would like to put on the bottom link, I'm going to put on the bottom, I'm going to put download now, and this is the main description. Alright, so what I'm doing is changing this and this text here and the label on the bottom. So let's keep filling all the details here. Now, after the user subscribe, where we want to redirect the user to what page? This can be an affiliate link, this can be another sales page. In this example, we are going to set for Google. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Alright, next step is where you want to save those leads, people who subscribe to your pop-up. For this example, we are going to save locally, so we can download it later from Takeit. I'm going to show you that in a moment. And the final step is to put some of the pop-up settings to show how you want to, or when do you want to show the pop-up. We have different options here. You can show the pop-up on the scroll event of the page. That means that when I start scrolling down, the pop-up is going to appear. You have other options like delay pop-up that you can set in after how many seconds you want to show the pop-up. You have mouse out. That means that if you are here and you start moving your mouse out of the window, the pop-up is going to appear. Alright, so for this example, let's put on scroll. And some other settings that you can add to your pop-ups are a countdown timer. You can add social sharing buttons for Facebook, Twitter, and actually this part is more than 40 animations, and this is part of the upgrade Takeit effects. So that's it. We're going to save and publish this. Alright, now we can preview our campaign, and if I start scrolling down, the pop-up is going to appear here with our text and changes that we have made. So I'm going to actually subscribe here, and when I click here, I should be redirected to Google because that's what we set on the settings. So I'm clicking here and the page start redirected to Google. Now let's go back to Takeit. Because I set to save the leads locally, I can go here to the opt-in subscribers and start looking to all the people who subscribe to my pop-ups and from where they did it. The campaigns are saved here, and you can copy the URL here simply by clicking the button, and then you can paste and start sharing this URL everywhere. Again, I'm just scroll down and the pop-up appeared. I'm going to do one more example. I'm going to create a new one. Test number 2, very easy, quickly. I'm going to copy the same URL, and for this example I'm going to select, alright, this one. By the way, as you can see, there's an image here. You can also change the image. If you don't change it, it's going to use the same template. I'm just going to start writing something here. I'm not going to do anything more than just change this for a mouse out pop-up, for example. And for this, I'm going to add actually some of the sharing buttons. Alright, I'm going to save this, and let's take a look now. So now if I start scrolling, nothing is happening, but if I move out my mouse, then you have the pop-up here. Alright, so thank you very much, and anything you need, just send an email to Brendan or to myself, and thank you everybody for watching this.